Imagine stepping out of your apartment and seeing a majestic dragon swoop down to pick up commuters. In a world where dragons are domesticated and trained for public transit, city life would be completely transformed. Instead of waiting at crowded bus stops, you'd line up at designated dragon platforms, where winged creatures arrive on a strict, reliable schedule. Each dragon would be fitted with secure, fireproof seating pods designed for comfort and safety, while certified dragon pilots expertly guide them through the skies. City planners would design intricate aerial highways, complete with sky lanes and landing pads atop skyscrapers, drastically reducing ground traffic congestion. Environmental concerns would shift. Dragons, fueled by a diet of livestock and specially formulated grains, would produce far less pollution than cars, but cities would need to manage dragon waste and establish feeding zones. Safety would be paramount, with strict regulations on flight paths, speed limits, and emergency procedures for mid-air turbulence or unexpected weather. Commuting would become a breathtaking experience, offering panoramic views and a sense of freedom unthinkable in traditional transit systems. This new mode of travel would redefine urban mobility and reshape the very skyline of cities worldwide.